Hello friends, welcome to online learning 10th standard maths by Ajay S. Today I'll be starting the revision classes of chapter 1, that is Arithmetic Progression. So before going to the chapter, first we shall revise some basic formulas. So any mathematics chapter we just look into, we have to know about the basic formulas. In AP, the first most thing you have to learn is general form. General form. So the general form is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. So AP arithmetic progression is nothing but each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. So for example, the general term for A, which is called as first term, designated as A1 or T1, or this is called A2, so also called as T2, that is term 2. So T2 is obtained by adding a fixed number. So what is being added here? I am adding plus D to A1 to get A2. Similarly, I am adding plus D to A2 to get A3. Similarly, I am adding plus D to get A4 and so on. So the last term, see that, to A4, when A4, the term is 4, it is 3d. If term is n, then we get a plus n minus 1 into d. So the first formula is an. This is also designated as tn also. It is a plus n minus 1 into d. So it can be designated as tn also. Anything you can use. It is your convenience. Here A is called as first term, and D is called as common difference. The next formula you have to know is to find D. D can be found out, that is common difference can be found out as the difference between two consecutive terms of AP. We can take consecutive terms. an plus 1 minus an becomes the two consecutive terms of AP. If you take the difference between an plus 1 minus an, then I can find D. It's an example I can just give. To find D, I can just use a2 minus a1, or you can use even a3 minus a2. So any of your convenient according to the given problem, you can just use it. The next formula we have to know is sum of arithmetic progression, that is Sn. Sn, we have two formulas, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And we have another formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or we can rewrite this as n by 2 into a plus l, where we know already a is first term, an is last term, an is nth term. An can be designated as nth term, or l is also called as last term. So it can be asked in any way again. According to the situation, we are going to use these two formulas. So friends, it's clear that we have to remember four formulas. That is for nth term we have to remember an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. For finding d, we have an plus 1 minus n, and for Sn to be found, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And we have another formula for Sn, to find Sn, that is n by 2 into a plus an, or n by 2 into a plus l. Sn is nothing but sum of all terms. Here we have just learned the general formula. If you add plus on to the between to all these terms, then that becomes the sum of AP, is also called as arithmetic series. Arithmetic series. And we have one more to be known, its knowledge, to find nth term. To find nth term, if Sn is given, Sn and Sn minus 1 is given, Sn minus 1 is given, or any formula for Sn is given again, for a matter it is. So we have a formula that is An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, or it also can be designated as Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So the today's class we have learnt 3 formulas, or 3 or 4 formulas. So all these formulas are important for our next class. So next class I will be starting with some basic problems and will be continuing in series of my videos. Thank you.